What is up guys, another site. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your games from favorites in Roblox. So first you need to head over to the Roblox's website. So after entering the home page, on the left side you need to click on these three lines, and after clicking you just need to go to your profile. After coming to the profile, when you scroll down a bit here under the favorite section, you will see all your games. And if you have so much games that you can see here, you can just simply click on this favorites and this will open the window of favorites. And here you will see all the games that you have favorited. So if you want to remove it from favorites, just simply choose that game and click on it once. And after that, here on the right side, you will see this filled star. Click on it once, and after clicking this will remove the favorite. As you can see, the star is empty, and when the star is empty you are done. Yes guys, you are done. You have removed the game from favorites. Just simply refresh it once and then the game will be gone from the favorites. This is how you can do it. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.